about to do an unboxing video for my 2019 Challenger Scat Pack Wide Body. This is from AFE Power. This is the Momentum GT Gold Air Intake. And this is the air inlet tube for like the Hellcats that you can use on any one of these Challengers. Alright, let's unbox this first. There we go. AFE Power. Nice packaging too. Very fast shipping. Get a good look at it. Model number. Alright, let's put this to the side. This is in the box. AFE Power. Got some cool stickers. Instructions. And for this one. Now on to the big boy. We'll see how much power this actually gives out. This is more or less for looks, for sound, and if it helps, it helps. If it doesn't, it's not the end of the world. I'm pretty sure you do tune and everything else, that'll really help it out. Let's see. Advanced Flow Engineering. Nice license plates. Put that to the side. Let's grab this. These are your couplers. That's the cap that goes if you don't want to use the air intake outlet for the Hellcats. What's here? Instructions. Here's the box. It's cool to see through with the Scat Packs, the new ones. You get the Hellcat hood, so you're going to see right into it. You can actually see the filter and everything, so that's going to be pretty badass. Put this through. Take a better look at it. Looks nice. Get inside. Really good. Here's your gasket for the bottom of the box. That's the extra hose. Here's your clamps. Really well made clamps. There's one big and one small, so yeah, I'm guessing that this is the air filter. Alright, it's the air filter, looks like. I went with the blue one. Let's open it up and see what it looks like. Close up with the filter. AFE Power. Alright, that's the unboxing of everything. That's what comes in the box. Now we're going to try to go and install it. Shouldn't be too bad. Should maybe take like a half hour or so. So I'll let you know how that is. Alright, thanks for watching. Any questions or anything, let me know. All right.